Managing ads on Amazon can feel very daunting, but it doesn't have to be. And that's why we created Helium 10 ads, and that's to make managing your pay-per-click advertising easier and more efficient. So in this video, I'm actually going to share with you an overview of all the ways that Helium 10 ads can make managing PPC easier and more efficient. Helium 10 ads, they're going to help you to save time and keep you organized. That's a huge thing because a lot of times you can just get lost in the weeds on managing your pay-per-click advertising. And with this tool, it's going to help you to kind of see things more clearly, stay organized, and save time so you're not spending hours and hours and hours on your campaigns. It's going to be kind of like your command center for everything PPC, and it's built to really just help you to optimize faster and work smarter. So there's no more digging through, all the reports, endless reports, making all these kind of charts and graphs. You're going to be able to see your campaigns, your keywords, and your performance metrics all in one place. You'll get AI-powered suggestions for bids, budgets, and keywords, so you can stop guessing and start making, more data-driven decisions instead of kind of going like, I don't know, and just making decisions. You'll be able to launch or optimize your campaigns in seconds, not hours like it usually would take. And you'll also be able to automate PPC tasks so you're not constantly adjusting bids or babysitting your campaigns. I'll show you how that actually works. And if something's not working, you're going to know right away, and you're going to be able to customize your reports and get keyword level insights really fast. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Helium 10 ads. I'm just going to give you an overview of what the tool looks like. Okay, so this is what the Helium 10 ads dashboard looks like. It's very easy to navigate and to see things very clearly. So that is a really big perk of this tool. So you can see here on the dashboard, you're going to see everything kind of already calculated for you. You'll see your PPC spend, your sales from PPC, your total sales, and your tacos. This is a huge piece of importance to make sure that you're, staying profitable, your ACoS, your ROAS, your clicks, and your cost per click. Okay. And if you scroll down, you can actually customize some of these graphs based on these different parameters. So you can see, spend, PPC orders, impressions, you can do all of that. And you can kind of graph things the way you want to see them here. You can see the campaign types and their performance, just kind of a quick, easy overview here. You can see the highest ACoS campaigns. So if you're kind of concerned about making sure that you're staying on top of these, you can see this one's kind of getting high here. And then you can also see your highest spend targets there as well. The next thing is AI advertising. So you can actually set up AI advertising campaigns, and it's super easy to just kind of set these up. And we'll go over that in another video and how to do that in detail. You're also going to be able to get bid suggestions. This is going to save you tons and tons of time because you can set up parameters and you'll be able to get bid suggestions. Now, we've actually already taken care of our bid suggestions, but you can see what it looks like with keyword suggestions. You'll be able to accept the keyword suggestions or just reject them. You can also look at the negative keyword suggestions and budget. So with bids, it'll just give you new suggestions for bid optimization, and it makes it super easy. You can do bulk optimizations as well here. So awesome. And we'll go into detail with that a little bit later. Analytics. Now, this is going to show you all of your campaigns in one. Something cool about this tool is you're going to need to, connect your Helium 10 account to Seller Central as well as your PPC, your pay-per-click account to Amazon so that you can pull all this data in. But you actually can see all this information without even starting ads with Helium 10 if you want to just kind of look at what the overview looks like, and you can see your campaigns overall. So this is going to be something where you can basically audit your campaigns and see how well they're doing with this easy overview of your campaigns. So we'll go into detail on that in another video as well. This is your ads manager where you can create campaigns and do all that great stuff. Super easy to set them up. We also have a place where you can set up your rules and automations. This makes managing your campaigns very easy so that you can stay within budget, and you can easily just create these rules. And there's all these different kind of parameters, and we'll show you exactly how to do that in another video in more detail. So overall, this is, just an incredible tool to help you to not only just be able to easily manage your PPC, but do it efficiently and stay organized. So if you haven't checked out Helium 10 ads, go ahead and connect your Helium 10 account to Seller Central as well as your pay-per-click advertising account, and it'll pull in all of that information. We also have little tools where it shows you, share a voice, you can see AMC data and all that. So there's a ton of stuff within this tool that you can kind of just take a look at before you even decide to start advertising with Helium 10 ads. So take a look and check it out. It's going to be a game changer.